Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 82, and y equals 5. The second point has x equals 90, and y equals 15.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 82 to x equals 90, the run is 8. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 5 to y equals 15, the rise is 10.
Slope is rise divided by run, 10 over 8, which simplifies to 5 over 4. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 5 over 4, x1 is 82, and y1 is 5.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.